I know you wanna roll a Lexus. Rolexes with a mansion down in Texas. It's more like apartment name. Cellular is prepaid.